Christian, you're up for the beep test. Come on, get out here and do the bloody beep test.
Oh my god, I absolutely hate the beep test. You know how freaking annoying this is? Who invented this? Time to do some stretches, I guess. Yeah. Oh. Stretching out. Yeah. One more. Okay, let's do this.
I can do this.
Alright, I hope you're ready for this because it will start in 5 seconds. Nah, never mind. We have like a 2-second gap and then we start saying the countdown, okay? 2-second gap. 1, 2, and then 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start level 1, 1.
Hello, Christian.
Who's that?
I'm Donkey Jesus, except the girl version.
Donkey Jesus?
I'm here to tell you not to give up. You can still do really good.
You're right. Should give up now. Oh!
Level 1, 2.
Thank you, Donkey Jesus.
Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1.
Eventually.
Final level. Level 21. That is the end of the final level.
Yeah, go Christian. Did good, big boy.
When is this? An extra bit in the recording? Ooh, let's listen.
Guess who's back? It's me, baby.